Taking this picture. Aww. Well,
She's number 1.
I think someone's taking my mask. Hold up. Yeah, someone is. Wait, no.
Remember that one video I made and like
Porn one?
no about Agario?
No.
The Agario one. You don't remember that? It was a long time ago.
Long periodic time. What were you like?
Oh, I see what they're
someone is
doing.
Taking my mask. Yeah.
I see what they're doing.
I always do this.
That's hilarious.
Hashtag.
I don't trust the way you say. How you wanna click up after your mistake? Look you in the face and it's just not the same. I've been down so long it look like love to me. They look up to me. I got faith. My jacket strapped up, nigga. I don't act, but I act up. Brown paper bag like the lunch packed up. Bag, up, nigga. I'm like 10 feet. Or you start out with 10 feet. I'ma always lose my temper. You cannot count to 10 feet. If I lose one, I bounce back like 2, 3, or 4, 5. Seen court rules and court sides. Ain't too many seen both sides. Nigga, fuck what you know. Nigga, I'm taking back.
Yeah, I got that on video, bro.
Oh.
No smoker on my weed. How long does it usually last for?
Got a show over there.
Oh.
We got a show way out there.
And over there.
We have one right here. We have one out there. We have one right there. We have one. We don't know where the fuck Andy's at, but that's my nigga.
That smells. Oh, it smells nasty.
What do you think? Because it's Walmart.
I'm gonna die. Oh, this is my song. My jam.
That's your strawberry
This
jam.
is my favorite
Here, can you
song.
hold this for a sec?
No. Okay. Why am I holding it?
Just hold it for a sec.
He wasn't nothing like that first
Time.
She's in the
Glass.
long hair, brown skin with the fat ass. Sat beside me, used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes. It started off so innocent. She had a vibe and a nigga started digging it. I was a young and straight trusting, trying to play this shit cool. But a nigga couldn't wait to get to school. Cause when I seen them thighs on her, and them hips on her, and them lips on her, got me daydreaming, man, what? I'm thinking how she rides on it, if she sits on it, if she sits on it, make it hard for me to stand up. As time goes by,
Yeah.
the tracks is getting deeper. Wet dreaming, thinking that I'm smashing, but
Hey, I'll throw him.
Oh, even like America goes to shit.
I'll throw him.
Could ever do.
Kevin, take it. 5, 4.
Nick, I'm trying to record it.
Same, bro.
Yeah.
And I never did this before, no. And I never did this before, no. Take it.
Here's where you want to hold this. What the
the fuck? Are you serious?
Yeah.
I know, she made me hell.
Because they fucking smell like shit. They smell like pigs.
And why'd you bring
Get
it?
rid of that
They were like
butt.
$2 from Walmart.
Dude, you can't get the Walmart one.
I know, but I was out and Mom wouldn't fucking take me to get actual incense.
Yeah, this
People
is
start freaking out thinking shit's on fire.
well, wait, dude, this looks like some
Hit that shit, Matt.
It's American.
I never did this before, no. I never did this before, no. I never did this
You know that feeling when you know
before.
you finna bone for the first time. I'm hoping that she won't know this is my first time. I'm hoping that my shit is big enough to fuck with. And most of all, I'm praying God don't let me bust quick. I'm watching porno trying to see just how to stroke right. Practice putting condoms on, how it go right. I'm in a crib now, nigga palm sweating. With a pocket full of rubbers and an erection. That's when my hands start touching and her face starts blushing. And the nigga roll over on top. And if she get my pants up, buckling and her hands start rubbing on me. Ooh, girl, don't stop. It's time for action. Pull out the condoms real smooth, yeah, that's how I practice. But right before I put it in, she flipped and grabbed it and said, I wanna get
Why are you
something off my
laying
mission. I can tell you a pro, but baby, be gentle, cause I ain't never did this before, no. And 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 I ain't never did this before, no. I ain't never did this before.
Why are we lying?
And I ain't never did this
Why not?
before, no. And I ain't never did this before, no.
What a freaking loser.
I
Never
used to
had
do this
sex.
with all of my incense.
Just gotta buy the Walmart ones and
Just use the whole pack.
oh yeah, just light the entire pack with the plastic.
Yeah, these do smell like piss.
Mm.
This is a song about
Fireworks probably
This is a
low-key
song about-
break those in there.
when I was trying to get my. But you gotta be there for me too.